Manipur gi irang asida haukiba sahida nupi ani phithongdana pukibagi thongdokka mari lenina National Commission for Women NCW gi chairperson Rekha Sharma Manipur Police pu sairaduna police amadi Assam Rifles ta Thamlamba Meeyam gi Thajaba Manghankhre hainasu pendaba phongdorakli. Gender sensitization for police personnel hai bahiram dangasi ahanba Manipur Rifles gi banquet hall da workshop hongdokladuna NCW gi chairperson Rekha Sharma Karigumba irang ama natragana pamdaba thongdok ama hek thokpa khudingi nupi singda tainapam oribasi makoibu pangal soli haiduna tawningbata tawribra asigumba wakalon chenbadudi miyoiba amagi wakalon nate haiki mahna hai nupi anida thokiba thongdok aduna Manipur khakta natana India pumba malemda ikai phurup khungmanki madugidamak Manipur police na ikai pham thoi thongdok adu yauna nupi singda sokpa yaba thongdok wathok thokpa matamda police na mang thana songthoktuna thabak tawgadabani Afaba police officer ama oidringaida afaba miyoiba ama hana oiba mathou tai miyoibige afaba launchat phongdaba misak aduna kaidawnungda afaba police officer oiba ngamloi hainasu NCW gi chairperson Rekha Sharma thorum adu da sarugya kiba Manipur gi DGP yauna makok thongba police official singi pungning singsinki.
Manipur as a society is still better than in northern regions. Women can take their decisions, but not in the property. They don't have much of property rights. Police also come from the society which not very kind towards women. So they have that mindset how to behave with the women. People of Manipur, I'm not talking about Kuki and Methi. People of Manipur forgot about humanity. And when anything like this happens, women are the first target. I don't know why we think that women are weak, because we can rape them. Then that means they are weak. And at that time, police should have been very active. And without taking anything in cognizance, they should have been stood there to help women. Many women got affected. They left homes. They are still in the shelter homes. They still need protection from people, protection from other side. Both the sides are equally, harmful towards another side of women.
Tharomadugi nakalda paumising hangba wahangi paukum pireduna Rekha Sharma hai Manipur gi irang asi loisinaba honabada nupi singi thaudang yamna sawi Maitai Kuki amadi Nagage nupi lup singi mihut singa wari sakiba laikrai Karigumba nupi lup singa sina mangjil thaduna Manipurda tangdolai taba poraknaba honarabadi athuba matamda hanagi phibamda hanjilakpa ngamgani haibigi thajaba lai Lamdam masigi nupi singna lauriba thaudang aduki matik chawi maramaduna makhoina thoraktuna tangdolai taba hanjina bahonabada khwaidagi afaba lambi oigani haiki
It is about how to behave with the women complainants. When women comes, how police should behave with them, how they should give priority to their problems and help them out to come out of those problems. I think people should also get involved to get the situation now normal. And I talk to the women of both the groups so that they should come forward and normalize the situation. The women should take the lead to normalize the situation in the state. And I've talked to the Kuki women, I've talked to the Methi women, I talked to the Naga women. If all the groups come forward, women groups come forward, things will be better, and I think the normalization of the society will come.